Hi, I'm Arun. Yeah, I know I am share about you how to use Canva and how to use beginner in Canva and if you're doing right now e-commerce business and any business, uh, but if you are running any e-commerce business at the time, this very useful to this Canva because this tool is not used only in e-commerce business only. Social media, but Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and any photos and but images you would like to edit. That all of image and editing designing work done here this Canva. So Canva is a tool is a very effective and powerful tools in coming coming years because now 2025 after will come years after digital era age. So many people is come to social media and so many business convert to physical to and internet. So at the time, so many work is available to and designing and but imaging creation and designing, then all of work done here this Canva. So but if you have this skill, you are doing freelances in uh, everywhere because some people is doing to because some people are doing to e-commerce business, but they are don't know how to create an image and how to decide how to decide the uh, uh, image. But at the time, you help them and you learn to body. And but another reason is here. Nowadays, uh, so many YouTubers come because this coding is increasing day by day. So at the time, you learn this skill. You used to that so many people. So at the time, you can to learn money. So you are very useful to this Canva. This Canva is not like to but image creation. This have a lot of facilities, but available here and video editing and imaging creation, and so many options is available here. And some people is doing to create to website and only use to this to Canva and video editing and website creation and all of work doing this Canva page. And uh, this two kind of this available. One kind of is free. Free Canva is not suitable to everyone because 2 3 years before, free Canva is uh, very effectively, and this is enough to this is but yeah, yeah, this is but yeah, this is but enough to what beginner Canva use. This very good, but nowadays this Canva is pro is very well because so many options is cut to free version. But if you use this Canva very effectively, you must know Canva Pro. Canva Pro is here not so much about this, very little bit of about. But if you have a spend 500, you can use to 1 month. No, no, I am trying to 1 day or 1 week. One day price is a 69, 1 week price is a 199. Because you can try to pro version for sample example, buy to you buy to 1 day pack, and if you like, and you can consider to purchase 500 or 400 pack. That is as you wish. Yeah, this is Canva. This information I share you because I am running to e-commerce business in last 3 years, and I am used to Canva only because one day I am a particular company by I contact to, but I contact for I create to for my I create to I create to image for my e-commerce business. But at the time, that person asked to my money five image, 500 rupees for five image. This is a normal price 500, but some people ask to 1200 to 2000, still 2000 for only five but only for five images. But at the time I do it, why I spend 2000 rupees and 2000 rupees. So I learned to Canva. Canva is here. Learn is very easy and very simple too. So I learned to Canva and simple tips. Lot of Canva tutorial is available in YouTube. But if you have an interest to learn to Canva, you lot of but available here in YouTube. YouTube. So you go to YouTube and search to how to create image for Canva, how to work to Canva. This item you put a search, you got a lot of option. So you use, but at the time 2 years and 3 years before, I learned to Canva from YouTube and create to my product all images, but I create to only Canva is for my businesses. So this Canva tool is very useful to me. So I share this information to you. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.